Man, they just pulled the fire alarm, bro.
It'd be nice to me to take it easy on ya, but nah. Baby, I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. Being so bad got me.
I'm out here.
You're not even recording.
Yes, I am. I'm vlogging everything. They just pulled the fire alarm. First day back. We back in action. You wanna be in my vlog? Yeah.
You don't want to be in her vlog.
God damn.
No views.
Man.
You gonna get 5.
Man, we out here in the snow. What time is it? Shit, hey Gwen.
This is why you don't dress like it's summertime.
I'm vlogging now. I'm a vlogger.
She's not even gonna get any views. Don't stop pumping her head.
Okay, Jalen.
Actually going on YouTube.
This is going on YouTube. Oh.
Yeah. It's Kamaya Harvey. That's what it is. It's nothing unique. No.
Subscribe. Just subscribe. That's all I gotta say. This is gonna be up in like a.
Which one is it? The redhead?
Yeah. Look at Ivan. He a YouTuber too. Emily. Man, they got us out here in the snow.
Oh my God!
Man. Man, they going hard with the fire alarms. About to go see Kylie real quick before I go to the auditorium all the time.
I don't know what she is. Go to gym. Hi! I love you.
Real quick, man. I already know what it is, man. Damn, we in Elgin High with it, man. Look, we threw this bitch, man. Man, god damn.
No, I've been had this. Oh. I just never use. I only use it for basketball. I am starting vlogging. I'm about to tell Kaya to upload the video now. I told you, stop touching, bro. You always touching my hood. I'm from the hood. You can't touch me.
Stop your birdie.
Bro. Jenny can't put that in my camera. You definitely cannot put that in my camera. I'm about to tell y'all the situation that just happened. Man, team sports got full. We can't even get that class no more. Watch Kate hating ass come up here, man.
Daily dose of Kamaya.
You feel me? Man. Go.
Damn, why should we coming in from over there?
Boy. Add that boy.
I know what the fuck is going on.
Add him.
You can add me too.
Do the work.
Who these fat ass boots?
Man, y'all already know we going hard. Ooh, I almost just bust my snap. Y'all wanna be in my vlog? Yeah.
Wait, is that why you record practice?
Yeah, I vlog now. I'm a vlogger. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. But I'm dead serious. I don't know what y'all think I'm playing. Man, we going hard in the paint. QI.
Maybe it's because of
Damn, I just got dark.
Right.
Real ones get done. Only multiply. Man, I hate walking through this hallway. Jada, where are you going?
Hold on, I gotta get in this vlog real quick, bro. What's up? You know.
Where are you going though?
I don't know.
Y'all going by Madison Locker?
Oh, right here. Where's Kira go?
Oh, y'all going by Madison Locker?
You wanna go at Madison's Locker?
Yeah.
All right,
I
bet.
don't know if Madison's gonna be right.
Okay, you gotta vlog it. Can I?
Oh, we're in this.
Okay, so we in here. Do you swear?
No,
Okay,
I can
let me
bleep it
hold it.
out.
Let me
I can
hold
bleep it out.
So y'all wanna get in this? You wanna get in this vlog?
Man, look, couple goals.
Go.
Yeah. Guys, where's Madison? Where's Madison?
Not here yet.
Man, don't matter. Hey, what class I got 6th period? Mr. Marshall.
You know what we gotta do? We gotta vlog going to Wendy's, bro. We gotta vlog going to Wendy's.
Vlog getting kicked out of Wendy's. Vlog getting kicked out of Walmart.
Target.
Kylie!
You have Ebola.
Man, everybody in my vlogs, y'all already know how it go. Vlog official. This is gonna be my thing. Vlog official.
Wait, how do you do it?
Vlog official. Kylie.
I've been here in a month. I don't want to talk to you.
Yep. Are you practicing today?
Yes.
Oh, she has a.
Should I just wear a scrunchie for practice or should I put an actual hair? Scrunchie. Wow.
Girl, you just. Margie!
Does anybody have extra?
Walk down. This bitch all day.
Stop! What are you doing? What the fuck?
You're gonna be in my vlog.
You have a vlog?
Oh yeah, someone put
Go
you on
subscribe.
my story that was like, subscribe to her channel, and I'm like, what?
Subscribe to my channel. Kamaya Harvey. Go subscribe. Go subscribe. Where are you going? Where are you walking downstairs?
Yeah.
Okay, walk downstairs. I'm going to get my stuff from downstairs, so walk downstairs.
Are you gonna record me the whole time?
Yeah, I record my life now.
Hey, I'm not wearing any shoes. What if it's wet?
I'm going outside.
We're going downstairs. Guys, I record my life now, so. Y'all gotta catch on to the memo. Who are you waiting for?
Hell on these hoes. Alright, what you want me to rap? Rap about these hoes on the guys, man. Rap about smoking dough and man, we don't love these hoes. They ain't loyal. I like my water to bring it to a boil.
Okay.
Man, my baby got a nice coil. What else?
Okay.
What else? What else? You can say I'm blessed.
You can say it.
I'm not stressed.
He ain't stressed.
You know I'm the best.
The best.
All I want to do is flex.
Oh!
On to the next.
Slice turkey.
One more.
Keep going. Never
going.
stop.
Never stop.
Never stop.
Drop top.
Ooh.
No cops.
No.
Ooh, go hard.
Never stop.
Oh shit.
Drop the mic.
Man, the mic is
My
dropped.
career is over.
Man.
Where's your stuff?
Oh yeah, I did never.
Let's go.
Like I was telling you,
Watch your.
you know what BC means. You know exactly what I'm talking. Casey.
Wait, I gotta do my little thing.
Wait.
He's what?
I'm so confused.
How? What is there to be confused about?
BC is
No, BC is not that.
BC.
Oh my God, James, come on,
go.
we're done with Casey.
Let's go.
She's out of the. No, that's what BC means.
BBC means big barbecue cookout. Big barbecue cookout.
Y'all come.
Hey, y'all, we having a BBC big barbecue cookout.
We having a
Come on
BBC
down.
party.
If you want to come on down, come on down.
Yes, like that. Me and Jada are like that.
Okay.
Okay, pull up. Damn, drop the shoes, shorty. Shorty.
Damn.
Pick up my phone. What size shoe do you wear?
An 11.
Damn. I wear a size 8.
No, wait, what size are these? Oh, yeah, these are. But I usually wear a 10.5. These kind of run small. But I fucks with these shoes. They lasted.
You just saw scared. I got the fire alarm came on.
I was just walking down the bathroom. Walking down the bathroom.
Replay.
I was walking down the hallway, minding my business, talking to my friends or whatever. Damn, I'm out of breath. Okay. and the fire alarm goes off, so I'm like, what the fuck? It's like 30 degrees outside.
What the fuck? Hey, do that again.
What the fuck?
Zoom attached.
What the fuck? Oh.
Look, this is what I was doing. I was walking right by Doc's class, and I was like, yeah, Dad. And I was like, ah!
What?
I got so scared. It's like, the fire alarm. What? Shit. Go to test
Why are
tomorrow.
you still here?
Why is your life like
I
this?
should have brought my phone so we could play some music.
I have to pull this out of my bag. All right, guys. See you guys at practice.
Oh,
Face ass. That would have been a good ass. After practice vlogs. Did you guys notice I was missing?
yeah. We were missing you. Oh, this is suicide.
I ran a suicide for you. Okay, McKenna ran it for me. After practice.
You didn't run a sprint, so I'm not having you practice. How did you change that fast? She didn't sprint, that's why.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, yeah?
I sprinted to the locker room.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Fuck this shit up now.
Fuck no, baby.
Say it one more time.
Fuck no, baby.
No, sing it.
Fuck no, baby.
Yeah.
Happy? Thank you. Fuck no, baby. Ain't no Yo, send your bitch over all fuck.
practice vlogs. Man. Jenny. Man, come on, bro. Man.
Yeah. On the beat. Just say I'm thinking about rapping. Just saying like.
Hold up. Let's record the dance team real quick. Hey, Valeria.
We're gonna do it.
I don't even like you because you said you don't want to be off. I don't know why Jenny think it's okay to keep getting in my camera. I don't know what she thinks she is. Man, I need some water. I'm thirsty as hell. Oh boy, you're weird like that.
Look, how y'all gonna lose? Where's Kylie?
Deja threw the ball at Dulce's leg. Emily didn't Deja cost us the game. When she threw the ball at Dulce's leg. She took 2 shots.
Right. Yeah.
But I don't give a fuck.
Running home,
Who running home? Watch this. Either Emily trying to make me walk home. But Kylie's driving. Come on. Yo.
Deja.
Oh, we're kind of twinning.
Emily. I don't care. Deja cost us the game. She should never took. Yeah. She should never took 2 shots. What?
And Deja. Why are they practicing right now?
They always do, most of the time. When he's not here, they do. Okay, Drew. Oh.
I said so aggressive. Can you go yell at Deja? I already yelled twice.
She takes her time.
I know, I've yelled at her twice already. Just wanna go home.
I just want to go to my man's house. Is that what you said?
What?
Wait. Why'd you pick the bleacher?
I kicked
Oh, don't do the Gatorade part 2. I want to go home. Jenny!
She's
What?
putting on jeans.
Jenny!
Stop.
Man.
I just want to go home. I don't want to watch them.
I can watch it tonight.
Ari, come here. Ari.
But tomorrow we'll get home.
Put a Snapchat name in there.
Ari, what's your Snapchat? Ariana 29, you heard it here, folks.
Yo, it's me and
We approve this message.
Back in business.
Hi.
Hey. Emily. Emily.
Look. Yo, it's one of us.
It's twin them. Ah. Good vibes only. Emily, say it.
Tell me.
Say it. Good vibes
No,
only.
that's low key.
That's high key.
Low key.
High key.
But low key duo.
High key.
Deja.
Maya, you got it this time.
See, this what I would have been left her ass.
And then
Fuck all this. Final fucking league.
I'm vlogging my freaking friends. How about this? How about this?
Get out of my camera. Jenny, I'm tired of you getting in my camera.
What's your Snapchat name?
Who? Jenny, okay, no.
Okay, good.
We do this routine almost every day.
What?
Walk like this.
Welcome to the video. We're in charge here. Add me on this.
Guys, you guys know Kylie's Snapchat. Kylie1719. Go add her.
You know that.
I know everything about you.
I like that.
Look at they ass.
Mine are a dating camera.
No.
Yeah, we are.
I have a man.
Who?
I have 2 of them. Actually, I have a husband and a baby daddy.
Who? Give it to him. Tell him who it is.
My husband is Tom Brady. Everybody knows that. I can't say my baby daddy on camera.
Why not? Why not? You have the video. You can include a video clip of him.
Of who?
Your baby daddy.
Which one?
The one that you just took a video of.
Oh, he's my mistress.
Oh.
And it'd be nice of me to take it easy on ya, but nah.